Oh no! What can we do? Oh wait. Bye, Felicia. Great. Now the insect is gone. But wait. Is it actually that good to use pesticides? Is it necessary to kill the insect?
Did you know that there are better and more sustainable ways to grow plants than using pesticides? Hi, my name is Masha and today we are talking about ecosystems and how they work, which factors affect the health and growth of plants, focusing on pests and biodiversity. Let's clarify some vocabulary first. Biodiversity. It describes the variety of plants and animals living on the world or in a specific area. Caterpillar is an insect, it looks like a worm and it turns into a butterfly. Insecticides. Insecticides are chemical poisons that are being sprayed to prevent insects from eating plants. Nutrients. Nutrients are small molecules that animals, plants, and we humans need to make energy, to move, to walk, to breathe. We need it for anything. Beneficial. Something is beneficial when it provides positive impact or effects. After this video, you will know about the benefits of planting different plants every season, the benefits of legumes, and how to prevent pests in agriculture and farming without using insecticides.
Are you sure about that? That doesn't sound right.
Absolutely. Let me explain. Have you ever wondered why insects actually exist? What do they have to do with our shirts or trousers? Write down your thoughts. Discuss it with friends and family. This example is based on cotton growth and is one of the most important sources for our clothes. Cotton cultivation often contributes to the degradation of the environment when it's cultivated in a way that's bad for the ground, the people, and the planet. One problem with cotton farming is that there's a special pest that is very harmful to the plant. This pest is called the cotton bollworm. This specific caterpillar crawls inside of the cotton ball and eats all the fibers. The problem is that we need those fibers to produce clothes. So farmers often use insecticides to kill this insect.
But worms are so disgusting.
The problem with this method of deterring pests is that the spray not only kills the worm, but it also is very harmful to the whole ecosystem. It's harmful to other insects, other plants, and also to the workers who are spraying these insecticides, and it's harmful to our skin when we buy the clothes and wear them.
Well, that's not good.
So actually other insects and animals can be very helpful for the health of the plant. They contribute to the ecosystem, give protection and nutrients to the environment.
Oh, they are?
And especially for the cotton plant, it's very important that the environment is as healthy as possible. So without the microorganisms, it's harder for the plants to reach the nutrients. Another important aspect are the living animals and insects in the ground. They're very important because they loosen up the soil and so the roots of the plants can travel way more easier throughout the ground. When the ground is loose, it can save way more water than if it's a compressed block of soil. So by using insecticides, the whole ecosystem gets affected. It's like a big domino effect.
But what else can we do? It's hard to grow plants.
The good news is that there are methods which are way better for the environment than insecticides. So one of the most important things for ecosystem is to have a variety of plants. But there are many different plants and they have all different needs, like they need different nutrients and they have also a need of different growing conditions. When different plants grow together, they can be beneficial for each other. This is called companion planting. So in our case of cotton farming, there are many other plants that can be utilized to ensure a healthy growth of cotton in a natural way. So for example, the chili plant can deter the cotton bollworm, whereas sunflowers attract the cotton bollworm, so it is distracted and will not reach the cotton plants. Then there is another special kind of plant called a legume. Planting legumes will ensure that the ground is enriched with important nutrients. Often they also root very strongly throughout the ground, which loosens it up. This means that the ground will be able to retain way more water, which creates a way more better environment for microorganisms. Well-known legumes can be found in your kitchen cupboard. An edible seed from the legume plant is called a pulse. Examples for these are chickpeas, soybeans, lentils, and so on. So as well as being beneficial to the cotton farm environment, the produce can also be eaten or traded.
Oh, I think I have those.
By spraying pesticides, we can only help the cotton plant for a very short amount of time. When farmers avoid spraying pesticides, it is way more healthier for everyone, the people and the planet and the plants. The results of eco-friendly farming are most visible after a couple of years, especially when the farmer previously used pesticides as a pest deterrent. But in the end, it doesn't destroy our environment and very important ecosystems, so the benefits of this method make it worth the wait. So remember, what applies to cotton also applies to your own gardening at home. So instead of using pesticides, go and have a talk to your parents. Maybe you can together learn something about holistic gardening. It is also a great way of understanding how ecosystems work and why they are so important to our planet.
Well, that's not the way we used to do it. But I guess I will give it a try.
Yeah, great. That's the spirit. So thank you so much for taking your time, and if you'd like to have any further information, check out fashionrevolution.org.